Oreo. We got an Oreo now. Yep, you're getting recorded, buddy.
Come here, Doug.
Oreo. No.
It looks like an Oreo.
Yeah, it's up there. I saw his yellow belly showing.
Like that's king.
Yeah, it's yellow belly. Yeah, it's a reddish yellow belly is showing in.
Yeah.
It's up there.
So look, Eastern United States in the summer. That's where we are.
In the summer. Because they can be located in the summer.
Like, oh, yeah,
So they're here in the summer. They're near Philly. So you can actually go out,
See these guys.
and if you're lucky,
You see them.
you can see one.
And that's right there. Oh,
So that's
man.
really cool.
Yeah, and I see like these little
Look
store
at
looking
that.
things.
What's your gat? It's right here, right?
Where?
That one's
Oh, it's a sunbird.
Yeah, that's that.
Bit turn.
Good job.
The sunbird turn? Yeah, you got that one right. So we got an Oreo and a sunbird turn. And it was a blue-gray tanger. The tanger
Do you
right
see
there.
any blue-gray tangers?
Right
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Yeah, got it.